If you have air conditioning vents that are like this, you have to get up there, unscrew it, take it out, vacuum both sides of the vent when it's open, dust and clean it. And this one's got two. Clean these vents, vacuum them, and you can wipe them. I just spent the morning doing that. In the bathroom, you should take the lights off, flat lights. I mean, look at these. There's bugs. Yuck. That's the vent. That was really disgusting. There was so much fluff in there. I vacuumed that out. And you have to know how to take it off, and you actually have to take it off, and then you have to clean it. And then you have to put it back in. This is very time consuming. You clean all up here and around. The bathroom alone on a normal house clean will take up to an hour. These lights, you have to take them down. There's bugs in there. Bond cleaners get called back if there's like bugs in there, even a few bugs. So this one's loaded with bugs. They want them gone. So I got to get up on the ladder and take them out. And they're not easy to take out. You got to take out 4 screws and hold that and balance it, wash it, and then put it back without breaking it. Make sure you clean every single one of these all around the house. And all the light switches. Look how gross this light switch is. Round it. Make sure you get all this bit. Clean this. Make sure there's no dust. You got to go get rid of that dust. Do not forget the front door. The front door is where they really look. But clean up here. Got to clean all the dust off there. Clean this really good. Clean the entire door, get all the marks off. Those marks are usually pretty hard to get because that's where people kick the door. Clean the outside, and then when you open it, you got to clean the inside of the frame. Oh, that's actually one of the places they look. You got to clean the vent. Don't forget to clean this, and you got to clean all the inside, all of them. You cannot miss. Look at this wall with that. Can you see this wall? All those marks, that's gonna take ages to get off. Don't forget to clean the dishwasher. You have to take the filter out and clean that, and then run a cycle with a cleaner in it. The oven, it's not just a matter of cleaning the oven like a normal oven clean, which is like takes about an hour to do anyway. You have to know how to take the door off and remove 2 panes of glass that's in there without breaking it, clean it and put it back in. Don't neglect these. You gotta get the oil off. That's grease and food, that can't stay there. The kitchen, it is thick grease. You cannot just use a general cleaner, you have to use a degreaser. I did 3 passes at this yesterday to get it this shiny. I mean, that could take you, like, depending on how sticky it is, maybe up to 40 minutes. And then you got to clean inside here. Every single one. Not just a vacuum or just a wipe, you got to get marks off. So, see these marks? They got to go. This usually takes about an hour just to clean the outside and inside of these cupboards. You got to remember to clean your blinds. These marks are no good, these marks. We have to get them off. You have to clean all this. And that's just the little stuff.